Everyone, thank you very much for waiting. Now is the time that we are going to officially start the press briefing session for the strategic collaboration between Fujitsu and Nvidia Corporation. Everyone, once again, thank you very much for taking up your time for us and being here. So first of all, Tokita is going to make a presentation to talk about our picture of strategic collaboration with Nvidia. Mr. Tokita, now floor is yours.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Tokita, Representative Director and CEO of Fujitsu Limited. Thank you very much for taking time out of your very busy schedules to attend our meeting today. We are pleased to announce that our company will be enhancing, expanding its strategic collaboration with Nvidia in the field of AI. And today, we will be announcing the content of this collaboration. I am actually personally delighted to have this opportunity today to share this news with all of you directly. First of all, I would like to outline the scope of this collaboration and the world Nvidia and Fujitsu aim to create. And following my presentation, our Chief Technology Officer, Vivek Mahajan, will provide further details. I'm sure that you're already familiar with this. This is the Fujitsu Group's purpose: make the world more sustainable by building trust in society through innovation. Founded in 1935, we have been supported by many people. We started as a telecommunications equipment company, and we underwent a lot of transformations in our business. We have been supported by many customers and stakeholders, and finally, we're celebrating our 90th anniversary this year. Although we began as a manufacturer of telecommunications equipment, what has remained unchanged since the beginning is our commitment to place people's happiness in the center of everything we do. All of our business activities are solely focused on that, and we are also pursuing new technologies that do not exist in the world yet. New technologies should be contributed to the happiness of people. We believe in human centricity, and R&D activities, service and product delivery, everything is based on this understanding. Now, the shape of the value that we provide has changed over time based on people's needs. However, this fundamental philosophy remains constant. On this slide, we are showing a diagram that illustrates our business activities broadly. As technology is indispensable to sustainability transformation, we have identified 5 key areas of technologies: computing, networking, AI, data and security, and converging technologies, which integrate multiple fields. We are focusing our resources on these 5 key technologies in terms of our R&D efforts. Based on these 5 key technologies, we have identified three important elements as materiality for company management: planet, which is solving global environmental issues; prosperity, advancing the digital society; and people, enhancing human well-being. And we continue to develop portfolio that are related to these three elements. Through ecosystem with customers across industries, we are committed to providing value that contributes to solving societal challenges. As you may be aware, recent dramatic advances in generative AI have enabled previously unattainable forecasting and simulation approaches. And we believe that this has brought us one step closer to resolving the serious challenges such as natural disasters and environmental issues. However, numerous barriers still remain toward the resolution of these challenges. This is a fact. We must also focus greater efforts to tackling issues expected to worsen over time, such as declining working population and energy-related challenges. We need to provide solution to these worsening challenges, and using technology, Fujitsu is making efforts day by day. And the major driver of this effort is AI.
As for the importance of AI, I don't need to elaborate on that here, but the evolution of AI has been significantly influenced by the volume of training data and the expansion of hardware processing capabilities. That leads to the leap growth and improvement. And the data process capability and computation capabilities push the evolution of AI, and that effect is going to be further exerted toward the future. It is clear that sufficient AI infrastructure with adequate processing power and functionality is indispensable for AI to be fully implemented in business and society going forward. For this AI infrastructure, we, together with Nvidia, will establish and we are going to further increase and enhance the possibility that it can exert. Nvidia and Fujitsu have commenced collaboration to build and provide a full-stack AI infrastructure integrating industry-specific AI agents by combining both companies' technologies. This strategic collaboration will proceed based on the following three pillars. From the left, a self-evolving AI platform. Based on our AI service, Fujitsu Kozuchi platform, by integrating Nvidia technology, we will build an self-evolving or autonomous AI infrastructure where AI agents and AI models self-evolve. Next, at the center, you can find next-generation computing infrastructure. By combining our high-performance low-power Fujitsu Monaka 3 CPUs with NVIDIA's high-performance AI training GPUs, we will realize a high-speed AI computing platform by jointly developing optimal infrastructure from the silicon level to achieve zeta-scale computational performance. High-speed AI computing infrastructure is going to be realized. Now, on the right side, that is the customer engagement. We will build an ecosystem with customers across various industries and partners, supporting the expansion of AI agent and AI model utilization through this AI infrastructure. On top of that, we, Nvidia and Fujitsu, will consider jointly the offering of partner programs. Furthermore, we will begin developing use cases for realizing social transformation through this AI infrastructure, starting with the specific industry sectors. First, in the field of robotics, we aim to implement cutting-edge technologies, including physical AI, into society. Details on each of these will be explained shortly after this by Vivek Mahajan, the CTO of our company. Our company, Fujitsu, has been collaborating with Nvidia primarily in the platform domain. You may recall the recent announcement that we'll collaborate with Nvidia on the development of the next generation flagship supercomputer codenamed Fugaku Next, led by the RIKEN Research Institute. We are delighted that Nvidia and Fujitsu, sharing a common vision of solving societal challenges through the power of digital technology, have taken a step forward in realizing an AI-driven society that leverages all data on Earth. This is one step that we made for realizing AI-driven society. That is what we feel quite delighted. Quantum computers are indispensable infrastructure for supporting an AI-driven society. Fujitsu aims to develop a 1,000 qubit machine by next year, 2026. Looking further toward the future, we envision advancing initiatives in this field of quantum computing by combining the strength of Fujitsu and Nvidia. The AI-driven society we aim to realize is not where AI replaces humans, but rather a place where the data processing capabilities of AI combine with human judgment and also creativity. Through this co-creation between humans and AI, we will make society as a whole a lot better. So human and AI draw such a wonderful future. With that in our imagination, we would like to pursue for this collaboration. People is always at the center of our ideas. With the idea of human-centric, we will continue to pursue the necessary technologies. This is a presentation from myself. After this, the CTO, Vivek Mahajan, is going to give you the detailed presentation about this. Thank you for your attention.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mahajan, CTO of Fujitsu. I would like to explain the details of our collaboration with Nvidia. As you may know, AI industrial revolution has started, but innovation within corporations still has a long way to go. In order to accelerate this innovation, number one AI company, Nvidia, and also a Japanese technology leader, Fujitsu, have formulated a collaboration. As Tokita-san has just mentioned, there are three areas of collaboration: AI platform, computing, and also Nvidia and Fujitsu working together on the customer engagement. Last month, Fujitsu's strategy was explained to you from myself. Sovereign AI and sovereign AI supported by sovereign computing infrastructure. This is going to be Fujitsu's focus. And why sovereign? I would like to remind you once again. What we need for sovereign is security. For enterprise, we need secure environment and also flexibility. Based on the company's needs, solutions need to be implemented. Manufacturing, healthcare, defense, there are different domains with different needs. We want to address those. And in the edge or private environment, including multi-tenancy, we want to cover this area as well. And this way, we believe Fujitsu can deliver great value for our customers. Healthcare, manufacturing, finance, defense. So AI platform and next generation computing, Nvidia and Fujitsu together, we can engage these customers and really create an innovation. I would like to explain one by one. I will start with a self-evolving AI platform. There are three key points: Fujitsu Kozuchi and Nvidia Dynamo, and NUMO modules, and Nvidia CUDA. Of course, CUDA supports everything, and also NEMO. We will be bringing them all together. High level of security, and also at the same time, high speed for AI implementation. So AI workload orchestrator, and for multi-tenancy, we are combining this with our Nvidia Dynamo. So more companies will be able to do this faster. That's the first point. And secondly, agents will consume various AI technologies. And the agent framework suited to the customer's needs can be done with a Takane, Kozuchi, NEMO, and a new module for speedy implementation at the customer's site. All of these services can be provided by microservices via Nvidia NEMO to the customers. So this means joint development. And also this platform will be provided in various industries, and solutions will be built together with our customers. And another thing I want to mention is computing. With regard to computing, Fujitsu and Nvidia already has a very deep partnership. And in May, Jensen, a CEO of Nvidia, said at the Taiwan presentation that Monaka and Nvidia GPU will be integrated through NVLink. So Nvidia, of course, GPU will continue to evolve, Monaka will continue to evolve. And this is not just integration at the silicon level, but also ARM technology and the Nvidia CUDA technology can be combined to support AI infrastructure. We have a technology that was made in Japan. 22nd of August, Nvidia Embark and the RIKEN and myself did this presentation. World's best CPU will be made. Of course, CPU is still needed. And CPU and Nvidia GPU will be combined in order to provide this platform. AI platform and computing platform. Well, without computing, AI will not evolve. So AI platform and computing platform will be combined as a solution to our customers. Tokita-san mentioned Fugaku Next. Fugaku Next is, of course, one example of Manaka and Nvidia partnership. One typical or representative example, but it's not limited to that. We want to provide this to various industries, to various customers.
Another point is that Nvidia, Fujitsu, AI, and computer technologies were just expensive, but there has to be customers. Otherwise, we cannot provide any value. It's going to be completely meaningless. So the most important thing is a partnership with the customers. Then, what do we want to do? The left. Well, of course, innovation has to be realized. Furthermore, in the various industries, healthcare, defense, administration, manufacturing, finance, within those industries, we have to realize innovations. And of course, we need to improve the productivity. And at the same time, new solutions are provided to the customers and the customers to the customer's customer. Not only with that, Nvidia and Fujitsu are aiming at to realize the world on the right. Cross-industry innovation. That's what we would like to realize. For that, there has to be very strong AI computing and platform. This is exactly what we would like to realize. Nvidia and Fujitsu are now on the partnership aiming at this world. Then, more specifically, what do we want to do? Let me share with you one example. This is the world of robotics. Fujitsu Computing AI Network. Well, when it comes to AI, if we want to realize the value of AI at the customer side, there are three things important: AI platform, computing, as well as network connecting them. Considering the future of the robot, the brain sensing, movement, security, those functions are going to be improved further. The Yasukawa Denki, the representative company for this field in Japan, and also together with Nvidia. So involving the customers who would like to realize such platform. For example, Yasukawa, industrial robots, healthcare, finance, and various fields or industries, various solutions can be provided. In this world, now we talked about the robotics, but healthcare, administration, finance, and various industries, those are where we would like to expand this further. Another point that is the quantum world that Fujitsu is leading. Toward the end of July, made in Japan, 256 level, the highest quantum qubit level quantum computer is what we are going to realize. Not only the hardware, but we provide the software as well. For the quantum field, that is going to be more and more important if the evolved further. For that, again, we establish a partnership with Nvidia. The quantum and HPC hybrid, the computational technology is going to be realized. And at the same time, quantum hybrid application at the ASIS G-Quark, this is also realized. And what is more important is further technologies, and that's also what we would like to realize, develop, and bring it in the society together with Nvidia. I believe this market is going to be developed further. it's going to be the tens of trillions of market waiting for us. So together with Nvidia, we would like to work on this industry, the quantum computing and quantum machine learning. We would like to realize that. With that, we would like to continue to do our best. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your attention. Now, I would like to invite such a distinguished guest onto the stage. This is the presentation for this strategic collaboration, and only for this purpose he came to here, and I am very honored to stand on the stage together with him on this opportunity.
Jensen, please come on stage. My best friend.
Hello, nice to see you. Takeda-san, it's great to be here.
Great.
Everyone, konnichiwa. It's so nice to be here. Today is a very important day. It's a very important day for Nvidia. It's a very important day for Fujitsu. My good friends, thank you, Takeda-san, and thank you to my friends at Fujitsu-san. I'm delighted to join you to announce our partnership and launch Japan IT into the era of AI. Japan has long been a dear friend of Nvidia's. As you may know, it is very well described in history. Sega was an early investor in Nvidia and a very dear friend. Sony put Nvidia on the world stage with the PlayStation 3. And we are deeply proud to partner with Nintendo to build the iconic Switch and Switch 2. Tsubame at Science Tokyo was the world's first CUDA GPU supercomputer. Fugaku at Riken is cutting-edge scientific computing. And with today's announcement, Nvidia, partnering with Fujitsu-san, one of Japan's great companies and a true pioneer of the computer industry, is once again showing the world what comes next. We are entering into a new industrial era, the next industrial revolution. Artificial intelligence is the most powerful technology force of our time. Every application will be transformed by AI. Every company will be powered by it. Like electricity and the internet, AI will be essential infrastructure, and every nation will build it. Today with Fujitsu, we are building the AI infrastructure of Japan. We are creating Japan's AI infrastructure, from silicon to systems to AI models and software, designed with Japan for Japan's industries and society. Fujitsu's great Monaka CPUs will be fused with NVIDIA GPUs using a revolutionary new technology called NVLink Fusion, creating a new class of energy-efficient and high-performance computing systems. The Fugaku Next project, jointly pursued by Fujitsu-san, NVIDIA, Riken, will be the driving force behind this collaboration. It will be the first of many initiatives. On top of this foundation, Fujitsu's Kozuchi platform and Takane models will be combined with NVIDIA's AI platform with NeMo, Dynamo, Nemotron, and Cosmos AI, physical AI, to create Japan industry-optimized AI agents. In healthcare, AI agents will help doctors and nurses manage hospital operations. In manufacturing and robotics, they will automate manual tasks. In telecom, they will deliver faster, more energy-efficient services and improve network efficiency and performance in 5G and 6G. In 5G and 6G, Nvidia already has a great partnership with Fujitsu, developing the next generation of radios called AI RAN. Robotics and AI agents will help address Japan's great challenge of workforce shortages in caring for aging population while unlocking new manufacturing opportunities for economic growth. The companies of Japan can solve these challenges for Japan and then for the rest of the world. Fujitsu is Japan's longest IT company and largest digital services company, with 113,000 employees and deep expertise across the industries. Bringing together Fujitsu and Nvidia's computing platforms, our ecosystems, and our industry reach, we are creating Japan's IT platform for the age of AI. Fujitsu and Nvidia are laying the foundation for Japan's AI infrastructure that turns data and energy into intelligence. Built here in Japan for the industries and people of Japan. Japan has talent in industry, the spirit of innovation. Japan can lead the world in AI and robotics. We are honored to partner with Fujitsu and Japan to create the next chapter for Japan IT and realize a great future of Japan AI. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you for your partnership.
Yes. The very, very great, and today is a great day, and the announcement and our collaboration, and to drive and Japan and the world society and through the innovation. Thank you very much.
The two of us have been in the industry a very long time,
Yeah.
and this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The computer industry is being reinvented. This is a great chance for Fujitsu and Nvidia. Thank you for your partnership.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
今、ジェンスンから、素晴らしいこのパートナーシップについて話してもらいました。
Jason has explained about partnership. He did a great job of that.
そして日本が持つ
Japan has opportunities. Japan has potential.
通して
And through AI,
大きな役
we
割
can
この
play a really big role
果たしていけるのか、
as
そのようなことも
Japanese companies and also as a country of Japan.
力強いメッセージをもらいました。
So that was a very encouraging message.
Thank you. Thank you.
For Japan, you are the strong message.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your partnership.
本日 AI そして量子コンピューティングにおける
So today we have outlined the strategic collaboration between the two companies in the fields of AI and quantum computing.
両社 Nvidia
Moving forward,
のパート
through a partnership between NVIDIA and Fujitsu, we will jointly create technologies to lead the coming AI industry revolution and the AI-driven society.
作っていく、そしてリードするテクノロジーを我々が生み出して
We will be the ones that will generate the technologies to enable this.
一緒にこの素晴らしい未来を
And this is a bright future.
お客様
Many customers will be working with us to create this future,
参りたいと
and we will continue to make strong steps forward.
の会見を
That concludes today's briefing. Thank you
ご参加いただき
very much for your kind attention.